What's the meaning of Crown Agent? Crown Agent. Crown Agent.
Crown Agent. Crown Agent. A Crown Agent is a person or organization appointed by the British government to act on its behalf in business transactions, such as procurement, sales, and logistics. The term has been used since the 19th century and is still in use today. Crown Agents operate as commercial entities, but with a mandate to promote British economic interests. They are expected to adhere to high ethical standards and work in a transparent manner. Crown Agents have been involved in numerous projects around the world, ranging from infrastructure development to healthcare service delivery.